Welcome to this quaint 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment located in the heart of Sosua. Just steps from Supermarket Playero and only a few more minutes to the beach, this apartment is ideal for anyone looking for vacation living or ideally for rental. This apartment has large, spacious, light-filled rooms with more than enough space to host you and your family or a couple of friends. In addition to the ideal location of this unit, it also comes with its own private parking space and communal swimming pool. So for more information on this property or to book a viewing, please contact me, Michelle Bordeaux, at www.realtordr.com.